Kenmore 31510 Robot Vacuum Cleaner 1800 Pascals Suction 3 inches Slim Quiet Self-Charging Robotic Vacuum with Stair Sensor. Spot Cleaning, Boundary Strips works with Alexa for pet hair, hardwood floors, carpet. Up to 120 minutes of runtime, 1800 Pascals power suction and 3-speed control. Voice and app controls smart navigation technology. What you get: 1 robot vacuum, 1-year warranty, 1 by 3.28 feet magnetic boundary strips, 2 sets X side brushes, 1X cleaning brush, 1X extra filter, 1X charging dock, 1X AC adapter, 1X dustbin and 1X cleaning tool. Please click on link below to get free shipment and 15% discount for this product.